Hey everyone, Brian Jung here. Today we're diving into something super exciting. We're talking about crypto trading, but not just about making quick profits. We're looking at crypto trading as an amazing learning tool. Think about it. This isn't just about Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's a whole new world of finance. You can learn so much, so fast. It's like a practical school for understanding money in the digital age. It can really change how you see investing and technology. Engaging with crypto trading is like jumping into a dynamic classroom. You learn about financial markets firsthand. You see how global events can impact prices. Economic principles like supply and demand become crystal clear. They are not just theories in a book anymore. You also learn about risk management. This is super important, not just in crypto, but in all investing. The crypto market is always evolving. New technologies and ideas pop up constantly. So, continuous learning is absolutely key here, and trading helps you do just that. Crypto trading provides a very practical entry point into this tech world. It's a journey of discovery. So, how do you actually start learning through crypto trading? It begins with understanding core trading concepts. You need to know about market orders, limit orders, and how exchanges work. Market dynamics like liquidity and trading volume are also crucial. Luckily, many platforms offer simplified tools for beginners. For example, Binance Convert lets you swap cryptos instantly. This is great for getting a feel for basic transactions. Spot trading then lets you experience how liquidity affects trades. These tools help you focus on learning without getting overwhelmed by complexity. A fantastic way to learn without risking your hard-earned cash is through paper trading. Think of it as a trading simulator. Many platforms like 3 Commas or Bitsgap offer demo accounts. You get virtual funds to practice with. You can test out different strategies. You can see how your decisions would play out in the real market. This is an amazing way to build confidence. You learn from your mistakes without any financial penalty. It's like having training wheels before you ride the actual bike. Alright, let's get into something I'm really excited about for 2025 and beyond: AI-powered trading tools. These tools are revolutionizing how we trade and learn. Artificial intelligence can analyze massive amounts of market data. It can spot patterns and trends that humans might miss. This teaches you a more systematic, data-driven approach to trading. Instead of relying on gut feelings, you learn to look at the evidence. AI helps you make more calculated decisions. This analytical skill is incredibly valuable for any trader. One of the biggest challenges in trading is managing emotions. Fear and greed can lead to bad decisions. AI trading tools can help with this significantly. They execute trades based on preset parameters and algorithms. They don't get scared during a market dip. They don't get overly greedy during a rally. By observing how AI tools operate, you learn to understand your own emotional biases. You can then work on mitigating their impact on your trading. Section 4. Diverse strategies and the power of community knowledge. Crypto trading isn't just about buying low and selling high. There are many different investment strategies you can learn. For example, platforms like Binance Earn offer various ways to grow your crypto. You can explore options like flexible savings or locked savings. There's also staking, where you lock up your coins to support a network and earn rewards. Launch pools let you earn new tokens. Dual investment and DeFi staking open up even more possibilities. Exploring these teaches you about passive income strategies. You also learn about the different risk levels associated with each. Beyond active trading, these passive strategies offer a different learning path. You learn about concepts like annual percentage yield, or APY. You understand the mechanics of different blockchain consensus mechanisms through staking. You get insights into how new projects raise liquidity through launch pools. Each of these products on Binance Earn, for instance, has its own set of rules and potential returns. Section 5. Crypto in action: real-world uses and securing your future. It's important to see how crypto trading knowledge applies in the real world. It's not just numbers on a screen. Understanding crypto can open your eyes to its practical uses. For instance, fiat gateways and peer-to-peer platforms like those on Binance are essential. They simplify how you convert your regular money into crypto and back. Using these services teaches you about the flow of funds in the crypto market. You learn about different payment methods and how transactions are processed across borders. This is practical financial literacy for the digital age. Then there's the actual use of cryptocurrencies for payments. Binance Pay is a great example. Millions of users and thousands of merchants are already using it. You can make and receive crypto payments for goods and services. Experiencing this firsthand shows you that crypto isn't just an investment asset, it's becoming a medium of exchange. Section 6. Starting smart accessible tools and key advice for new crypto traders. One of the great things about learning crypto trading today is accessibility. Many powerful tools are available, and they don't always cost a fortune. Lots of AI trading tools offer free tiers or trials. Think about 3 Commas, Crypto Hopper, or Bitsgap. The KuCoin trading bot is even free to get started with. This means you can begin learning and experimenting without a huge upfront investment. Pionex is another example, offering 16 free trading bots with low trading fees. This accessibility lowers the barrier to entry for beginners who are eager to learn. As you get more advanced, you might consider paid plans for these tools. These can range from around $25 to over $500 per month depending on the features, but the key is, you can start small and scale up as your knowledge and needs grow. The availability of free educational resources is also incredible. Binance Academy, for instance, has a massive library of free articles and courses. These cover everything from Web3 basics to advanced crypto strategies. So, the cost of learning is often more about your time and dedication than actual money.